Rodney, what's going on? Where are we?
It's okay, you're all right.
Okay, boy. We got them right where they want us. Boost me up. Oh! Watch your hands down there. Rodney! We're here to save you! How do you think it's going so far?
The plug! Hold on, guys! I gotta get to the other side!
Chop shop. That's it. Game over.
The game is not over. This is our moment to shine. This is where you show what you're really made of.
In my case, it's a rare metal. It's called ephradium. It's yellow, tastes like chicken. I didn't know I could do that.
Rodney's right. I am tired of just complaining and never doing anything. I want to try.
Then you're first.
First for what?
They want us to upgrade? Then let's upgrade.